Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Pumpkin. I am a large, round, orange or yellowish skin fruit. I belong to the cucurbitaceae family, which also includes watermelons and cucumbers. There are actually several different species of pumpkins, and each species has its own scientific name. Here are a few examples. Cucurbita pepo. This is the scientific name for most common types of pumpkins, including the jack-o'-lantern pumpkins and smaller decorative varieties. Cucurbita maxima. This species includes larger pumpkins, often used for cooking and baking. Examples include the Hubbard squash and the Atlantic giant pumpkin. Cucurbita moscata. This species includes pumpkins, like the butternut squash and the cheese pumpkin, which have a sweeter flavor and are often used for making pies and soups. Cucurbita argyrosperma. This species includes pumpkins like the cushaw pumpkin, a variety commonly used in southern cooking. These are just a few examples of the different scientific names for pumpkin species. There are many other varieties and cultivars, with their own specific scientific names. The word pumpkin comes from the Greek word pepin, which means a large melon. My thick, tough outer skin protects me from damage and dehydration. Inside me, you'll find a cavity filled with pulp and seeds. My fibrous pulp is moist and fleshy, thanks to its high water content. I am a sprawling plant that grows with long vines, spreading along the ground. The yellow-orange flowers that bloom on the pumpkin vine are edible. I am monoecious, with separate male and female flowers on my plant. Botanically, I am classified as fruit because I develop from the ovary of a flowering plant and contain seeds. However, I am also commonly regarded as a vegetable in culinary contexts, due to my savory flavor and common use in savory dishes. I am native to North America. China and India are the top producers of pumpkin. I come in a variety of colors, including orange, yellow, green, white, black and red. There are hundreds of different kinds of pumpkins, each one with unique characteristics and uses. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. These are the classic, orange pumpkins often associated with Halloween. They have a round shape, smooth skin, and are typically used for carving. Sugar pumpkins, also known as pie pumpkins. These small to medium-sized pumpkins are popular for baking and cooking. They have a sweet, smooth flesh that is perfect for making pumpkin pies, soups, and other dishes. Atlantic giant pumpkins. These pumpkins are known for their enormous size and are often entered into giant pumpkin contests. They can grow to weigh several hundred pounds or more. Cinderella pumpkins. The actual name of this pumpkin is Rouge Vif des Tempes, a French heirloom pumpkin that gained popularity after the children's fairy tale Cinderella featured a pumpkin carriage. Cinderella pumpkins are often used for decorative purposes. Jarrahdali pumpkins, originally from Australia, have a unique blue-gray skin and a squat, flattened shape. They are popular for both ornamental displays and culinary use. Kabocha pumpkins, popular in Japanese cuisine. Kabocha pumpkins have a green or gray-green skin with a rich, sweet flesh. They are often used in soups, stews, and tempura dishes. Blue Hubbard pumpkins. These pumpkins have a bumpy, deep blue or greenish-blue skin. Blue Hubbard pumpkins are typically used for baking, roasting, and making soups. Miniature pumpkins. As the name suggests, these pumpkins are small in size and come in various colors, like orange, white, and even striped or mottled patterns. They are commonly used for decorative purposes, table centerpieces, and crafts. Knucklehead pumpkins are warty and gnarled, making them great for decorations. However, when cooked, They have a sweet and mild flavor. Calabash, bottle gourd, or lauki is known as kaddu in many parts of India. However, kaddu translates to pumpkin. Gourds and pumpkins differ in terms of their harvesting season. I am rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy digestive system. I am packed with essential vitamins like A, C, and E, which support immunity and promote healthy skin. My seeds provide protein, iron, and magnesium, which are vital for muscle and bone health. I am low in calories and high in water content, aiding in weight management and hydration. I contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which protect against chronic diseases and cellular damage. The high potassium content in me supports heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. I am a good source of folate, crucial for fetal development during pregnancy. I contain tryptophan, promoting a positive mood and improved sleep. Natural medicine practitioners have proven that consuming pumpkin seeds reduces the risk of prostate disorders in men. The national vegetable of India is the Indian pumpkin, commonly known as kaddu. Stefano Cutruppi holds the world record for the heaviest pumpkin. Morton in Illinois State is indeed known as the pumpkin capital of the world. Illinois State is the largest producer of pumpkins in United States. There are indeed many famous pumpkin festivals held around the world, such as the Circleville Pumpkin Show in Ohio and the Ludwigsburg Pumpkin Festival in Germany. I am versatile and can be used in various dishes, from soups and stews to baked goods, adding both flavor and nutritional value to meals. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.